Hi guys, good morning. This is almost 11 a.m. on a Tuesday morning. Yeah, anyway, I'm just outside my parents' house. My sister is leaving today. She's going back to Lagos, so she forgot something in my house yesterday. I just came to drop it for her and then see her one last time before she leaves today. And then from here I'm going to go and look for fuel. I don't know why sometimes you just wake up in the morning and there's no fuel anywhere. All the filling stations around you are not selling fuel. Some sort of scarcity is happening without your knowledge. So my fuel is literally on 3 bars. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so over here it's literally on 3 bars, and I have waka today, so I cannot go round town, okay, with this. Alba is here. Hi. I'm just telling you that I'm going to miss you.
I know, right? Don't cry, Sha.
You, why do you always think? Why do you always think I just have, what do you call it now?
Tear glands.
It's an active tear glands.
Overactive, as a matter of fact.
Yeah, I'm going to Gwarimpa. Yeah,
I'm leaving here by 5 because of that rush hour traffic. My
flight is 7:30.
So let me get back for me to get to the airport early and wait.
Ellie, don't go now. Come, Ja. Okay, my darling.
Bye.
Bye. Au revoir. All right.
Yeah, this first quarter for sure.
Okay. Love you. Bye.
When I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby.
Hi guys. Good afternoon. So this is like same day. And I'm just about heading out. I have an influencer hangout sort of thing today at Crush Cafe. I think I mentioned in one of my last vlogs during Vlogmas, we're meant to have like an influencer hangout sponsored by Crush Cafe, Kini, but it didn't work out that day. It's happening today. So Crush Cafe will be hosting about a couple of us, I think about 8 to 10 of us, I'm not sure. I'm wearing this dress, this turtleneck. Oh, this heat today. I hope wearing this dress is not gonna end up in premium tears. But I'm wearing this dress, okay, this cute dress I bought during I bought in December from Ngur.ng when I went for her Christmas party. Yeah, so it's just a long sleeve turtleneck, and I really love like the way the neck is really pretty, and it's like a shift dress. So this is the length right here, right? So that's where I am heading in a bit. But before I head out, I want to unbox something very exciting. People always ask what this thing is. I apply like on my hair to tame flyaway hairs. It's called hair wax. You can find this in any store, or you can find this like online. This one I use is from a brand called IKT, so it's IKT wax stick, something like that. I'm not wearing lashes today because I don't feel like it. Honestly, I feel like this makeup is just okay. For my eyeshadow today, I used this palette I got from Juvia's place recently. This palette is called The Warrior by Juvia's. That's what it looks like, and the colors are just stunning. They're mostly browns and mostly golds. So pretty, love it. So it's gonna be my go-to, like my actual go-to eyeshadow palette these days. Yeah, so I want to unbox something. So I got this package from Soybe Botanicals, my tried and trusted skincare plug, my family. In fact, I love this brand with all of my heart, and you guys always know that I always preach good skin, and this brand has given me really good skin. Like throughout last year, my skin was popping from January to December because of this brand. In fact, I ran out of a few of their products, and I can already see like breakouts trying to break out on my face. So I thought that, please sis, send my things sharp. I cannot waste time. I'm so happy that, you know, I'm continuing this partnership with them this year. Makes me so happy. This is a brand that has that believed in me, you know, quite early on last year. They really believed in me and they took a chance with me, and I took a chance with them too. Let's just say that we are both happy. Both parties are very, very happy. So they sent me, oh wow, that's a big box of stuff. Skincare is always so exciting to unbox, I tell you. Packaged very nicely. Look at all this goodness. Look at all this skincare goodness. This year is about to be another year of amazing skin. Let's just look at everything in here. Wow, this box is loaded. Okay, I'm over here. A favorite. This is the Salicylic acid facial wash. One of my absolute favorite things from this brand is this facial wash. Keeps acne at bay. Like, keeps acne at bay. My skin is always looking acne free with this. I love it. Here we have the hibiscus glow toner. I also love using this. It's an amazing toner and very gentle too. Really love this. This is the skin brightening soap with papaya and honey. I'll be trying this one out for the first time. I haven't tried this one out yet. She did put a couple of, you know, products that I haven't tried before, so this is one of them. This is the Enzyme facial wash. This is good. Usually I would use this at night and then use the salicylic acid facial wash in the daytime, but I love these. I love this so much. This is with papaya and pineapple enzyme. I love it. I've used this before and I absolutely love it. This is the Stretch Mark Defense Collagen and Elastin Boost. I've not tried this one out before. I really don't have that much stretch marks, if I'm being completely honest, but where I know I have the little ones, I would use this and give you guys feedback on this. This is the Luxe Glow Soap. Guys, this is the best black soap in the entire world. I don't care what you say, okay? I love it so much. This has done amazing for my skin as well. I just love using this, and I run out of this so quickly, maybe because the jar is so little, but I run out of this very quickly. Sis, I think we should consider doing this in a bigger tub, because this is really good. I love this. Like, if you don't get anything from this brand, please get the Luxe Glow Soap, okay? She also sent me the Illuminating Glow Oil. I think I've not used this before. No, I've not used this before, but this is like so needed, especially like during this Harmattan period. My skin is always looking ashy with you rub cream like this now, before you reach outside your whole body is white. So I'm very happy that she put this Illuminating Glow Oil for this Harmattan. Is very needed. The Luxe Glow Body Milk. This is also an absolute favorite of mine. I love using this so much on my body. Like this, I love this. I love this glow milk so much. So good. This is the Luxe Glow Face Milk. This too I love. Each time I use this before I go to bed, I wake up in the morning with very soft skin. Like, my face is always like soft and supple, and it brightens as well. I just love this. It's so nice. Then this is the Luxe Glow Body Oil, also for Harmattan. You know, everybody needs to have some sort of oil in their skincare routine right now, especially for your body. So I'm excited to try this one out. I've never tried this one out before, so I'm really excited. We have the Daily Glow Moisturizer. This is also really good because the moisturizer I currently use is not from this brand, and I'm running out of that one, so it feels good to have moisturizer in the box, okay? And then we have a couple of things. Of course, their Lush Lips Lip Balm also, because Harmattan is doing the most. I think I have the one I'm currently using. The one I'm currently using right now is also from Soybe Botanicals. I have one in my bag. I don't go anywhere without it. There's this little wooden spoon. This is like to scoop out your skincare. All the ones that come in jars, scoop it out. And then there's something here too. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a bonnet. And this bonnet is such good quality. I love that it's black and it's got Soybe Botanicals on it. So cool. Wow. Yeah, wow, that was a lot, guys. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 products. Thank you so much, sis. I'm so glad to still be partnering with you this year. Like, working with Soybe has been amazing so far, and I'm just super excited for this. All right, guys, I'm ready. I don't know what shoes I'm going to wear out right now. I'm thinking of wearing those my green mules, just so I can take very nice pictures at the location that we are going to be at Crush Cafe. I would just carry my green mules just because I want to take pictures. If it was just to go and hang out and sit down, I'll just wear something else. But yeah, I'll wear that. And then yeah, guys, let's go.
I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Princess Jacoco. Got Jacoco, baby. Get shots on. Yes.
So you know.
Yes. Please, you push your channel, in case people don't know. Channel that you put your last video, God knows how many months ago.
Oh my God, I'm coming back with the bank.
Please, guys, go and subscribe. Go and subscribe. Nena, say hi. The only Waka Waka Nena of Abuja. The only Abuja food blog of Abuja. Okay. See there, where are they going? See Nena's dress. Where is she going to? Nena, wow. Hello, dear. Hello, dear.
I know you told me. Oh my God. You're not even serious.
See outfit. Where are these people going? Hey God.
I'll get bouncing like I do.
She's not serious.
How are you doing here?
Oh yeah, that's my drink.
Hey. Hi, content. So content.
I say, who is you people? I came myself to me. I came my message. I saw the
Yes.
Or they actually
They don't play kids that
my business now. It's like my business now. I have kitchen cake and I want to using the same cake. No one that come and tell me that the small chop, I mean the desk aspect is not the same as kitchen cake.
Guys, so I just dropped Mia off in school. When I brought out her uniforms to iron yesterday, she cried when I ironed them and hung them because she thought that she was legit going to school once I was done ironing them. But anyway, she resumed school this morning. She's so excited, she's so happy, and I'm also a happy mother because I get to have a life between 8 a.m. and 2 p.m. Yeah, anyways, that's that. Let me drive back home and begin my day.